English Arabic. How much does cost?
بكم.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, great to have you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll master, how much does cost in Arabic.
بكم.
Picture a colorful souk and a friendly, price-tagged camel that keeps repeating the phrase every time you pet it, comedy gold and memory gold. Your goal today. You'll learn one mighty question, nail the sound, and use it in a mini dialogue. Your target phrase is, how much does cost?
بكم.
Use it anywhere, shops, markets, ticket booths. Remember the mnemonic, bi-kam.
بكم.
Ask calmly, get better deals. Pronunciation and gesture. Let's lock it in with rhythm and a simple movement. Beat it. Bi-kam, bi-kam. Clap clap, snap snap.
بكم.
Gesture. Rub your thumb against your first two fingers, money sign, while you ask.
بكم.
Try it with a smile and a slight head tilt.
بكم.
False friend alert. Don't mix it with.
كم عمرك؟
How old are you? Mini dialogue at the bazaar. Time to play a quick scene, you're the shopper. You, excuse me.
بكم.
Vendor, it's 5 dinars. You, any discount? Try the magic word.
خصم.
Vendor, okay, small.
خصم.
Because you asked nicely. Drills, point and ask. Rapid fire practice, point, breathe, ask. Point at coffee, ask.
بكم.
Point at a ticket, ask.
بكم.
Point at a book, ask.
بكم.
Point at a scarf, ask.
بكم.
Point at that glowing lamp, yes, like Aladdin, and ask.
بكم.
Culture tips. Souk smarts. A little culture makes your question even stronger. In many Arab souks, polite bargaining is normal. Start with.
بكم.
Then listen. No keywords. Price equals.
سعر.
Cheap equals.
رخيص.
Expensive equals.
غالي.
Alternate phrasing.
كم سعر؟
A bit longer but also common. Opposite day. If it's free, you might hear.
مجانا.
Quick quiz. Ready for a tiny quiz? You've got this. Q1. Which Arabic phrase do you use to ask for the price? A1.
بكم.
Q2. True or false?
أين؟
Means the same thing. A2. False. It means, where is? Q3. Fill the blank. In the market you ask, underscore 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 underscore. A3.
بكم.
Challenge time. Speed round, 10 seconds, you lead. Say it 3 times for coffee, a ticket, and a book.
بكم.
Slash.
بكم.
Slash.
بكم.
Bonus. Add the money gesture each time and keep your voice calm, remember, be calm.
بكم.
Goodbye and next steps. Nice work today. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
بكم.
Whenever you shop, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Arabic lessons, drills, and culture tips. See you next time.